Hey guys, Marty Boots here. Today I want to make part 3 in telling you and showing you why alt season is here. The alt season is here in my opinion. And I also just want to show you here, I looked through my trading view charts and I noticed something that has a 100% accuracy rating. 100% guys, 100%. This is mind-blowing content. And it is telling us that Bitcoin is 100% going lower. And I want to prove to you right now. Okay, let's start right here on Bitcoin. Let me zoom in a little bit just to show you. So when the price breaks down below all moving averages, okay, this is a 12-hour chart, guys, 12-hour chart. Price breaks down below all moving averages and does this. Okay, I'm going to leave this here on the left hand side. I'm even going to just zoom out. I just want to give you a clear picture there. So I'm going to go focus on the right hand side here, guys. This is mind blowing stuff. I'm going to blow your mind here. 100% accuracy rating. Okay. This is ETH. I'm just going to run through my TradingView list of USD tether pairs, and I want to show you something remarkable. Okay, price broke down below all moving averages, consolidated, went lower. Price broke down here below all moving averages, or you could say it broke down here below all moving averages, whatever one you want to choose, and it went lower on BNB. Price broke down below all moving averages and went lower. Bitcoin Cash, price broke down below all moving averages here and consolidated and went lower. It did retest. Now that doesn't matter. It still retested. It still went lower. On BitTorrent, we bounced here and went lower. Litecoin, we consolidated here, had a bit of a retest and went lower. Price broke down below all moving averages and we went lower on EOS. Matic is slightly different. I mean, you can call it different, but it did break. You could trend this. It's probably going. I'm not drawing that very well, but anyway, it would have broke down somewhere here. It broke down. That was probably the retest right there, and it did go lower. Now we're still trending. It's still in a bear market. These are pushing down. Matic is probably going to roll over and go lower. What is this? Tron broke down below all moving averages, had a bounce and went lower. Guys, this is mind-blowing stuff. Mind-blowing stuff. You can see here on Cardano, ADA broke down, consolidated and went lower. Guys, where have you ever seen a 100% accuracy on a trade strategy? Where have you ever seen that? This is unbelievable. Neo broke down, consolidated, went lower. They were stable coins. Now, Cosmos, I don't know where this crossed, somewhere up here, but anyway, it broke down and went lower. Stellar, guys, Stellar broke down and went lower. What is this? FET broke down, had a retest and dropped away and went lower. Seller broke down. Oh, well, yeah, it went lower. What is this? VeChain broke down below all moving averages, formed a bearish pattern and went lower. What is this? ETH. Okay, ETH is a little bit different here. We'll give it credit where credit's due, but ultimately it still went lower. Now, it broke down between all moving averages and then formed a bearish pattern, but a large bearish pattern, guys, and it eventually went lower. It did have this retest and a bit of a fake out, but it went lower. IOTA, bearish pattern, broke down, bearish pattern and went lower. What is this? ONT broke down, similar, went lower. Remarkable stuff, guys. This is unbelievable. Chainlink. Okay, Chainlink is one of the strongest coins in the market. What happened? Price went down, broke down below all moving averages right here, and it still went lower. It still formed that new low, and it actually had a new low again. Now, if Chainlink rolls over here and gets below this red 200 moving average, Chainlink can still go lower again. So be careful with it. ICX icon broke down. It had that retest, guys. It had that retest, and then it went lower. Unbelievable stuff, guys, here. Halo, look at this, guys. Broke down below moving averages and went lower. What is this now? BAT. BAT broke down, consolidated in a range and went lower. Well, I don't know what that is. MIRT, MITH went lower, regardless, whatever the name is. I'm not even looking at the names anymore, really. QTUM broke down below all moving averages and went lower. Zequilla broke down below all moving averages and went lower. Guys, do you need any more evidence? Broke down and went lower. Crypto Twitter thinking Bitcoin is going higher. I'm not sure if I believe Crypto Twitter. Broke down below all moving averages, guys, and went lower. Well, I mean, EDGEWONK's doing fantastic today, actually, but it went lower, broke down below all moving averages and went lower. What is this? Monero broke down below all moving averages, had a retest and went lower. Broke down below all moving averages, guys, and went lower. What is that? That was Dash. Theta broke down below all moving averages, bearish pattern, and went lower. What is this? 0x, guys. Well, it obviously broke down, went lower. Guys, 100% accuracy. 100%. Mind-blowing stuff. I don't see too many channels showing you a live trading strategies that show a 100% trading strategy. Guys, this works. Some people actually say that maybe moving averages and price action are not the way to trade. Yeah, right. What is this? Zcash. Look at this, guys. Look at this. I don't even have to say anymore. Look at this. 100% accuracy rating. Broke down. OMG. Must be getting near the end here, guys. Well, you can see here, retest up here, and we went lower on gas. That's a stable coin. Lisk had a breakdown below all moving averages, had a retest, and we went lower. Okay, we broke down here on 0x. We had this consolidation pattern and we broke lower. Unbelievable, guys. And that is it. That is my whole list, guys. And they were not hand-picked charts. They were just my list of USD coins. Now, what this is telling us, guys, it is telling us with 100% accuracy, 100% accuracy rating, that either Bitcoin is going to break down out of this range, or Bitcoin is going to break up and into this range where there is moving averages coming down, with a 200 moving averages coming down, and then prices rolling over. It is telling us, guys, that 100% Bitcoin is going lower. You can take that information whatever way you want. You can use it whatever way you want. It's not financial advice, but I know what I'll be doing with Bitcoin in the near future. So that's it for the video, guys. If you like that content, the mind-blowing content, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you'd like to trade with us in our Discord trading room, please go to the description below and go to our website and hit us up for a 3-day free trial. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.